Hi guys, this is Nino, and I gonna open up two of the Soccerstarz, and they contain one mini figure and collector leaflet. So contain Chelsea, Liverpool, and Arsenal FC players. Well, as you know, this is only 3 different teams on the packaging. Liverpool goalkeeper, Arsenal player, this is John Terry, and one of our favorite players from Chelsea. Well, one that I'm menu fan, why do I menu? Yeah, there is menu inside here. On the box, the big box where this packet comes, they got the menu players. I see it on two eyes. If you're not sure, you can go search. Here's the barcode. Or you guys scan it, you can start scanning. Yeah, let me make it nice. Okay. Now you guys can scan. Okay. But then these are the website, the links, and they all got put description, where it's from, whatever. Okay. They read it stuff. There were whatever wordings, and it say below 3. It's not from kids under 3. Yeah, and most of the kids under 3 don't know soccer. So yeah, and yeah, it's what I see. Contains one randomly packed Soccerstarz randomly. So maybe I may get like 2 players, same team, different team, I don't know. And as you see, there is like old players like Esplico, I think, but I'm not sure. I think this Esplico, Torres, this is Solid, this is a video, and I'm not sure. So okay, so right now I'm gonna open one last packet. Okay. So which one should I open? Which one? This one. Which one? Okay, so I'm gonna open this. See what is my luck. I may be saving this one because like I don't feel like opening it. In Chinese, I don't want to say what you should know. So here, let's go. Here's the opening. I'm gonna use the opening to open.
I don't know why you expect that way.
Okay. Now cutting off toy. Hahaha. Toy here. Haha. And his hand. Hahaha. Yeah. Okay, that was for me. Okay, that's it. Oh my god, John Terry, no. Sorry. And who I got? Wait, let's see. Oh, it's a guy. Like, it's from what team?
Of course it's a guy.
Arsenal. Oh wow, from Barcelona. He now moves to Barcelona. Wow, pretty cool. And yeah, there's something more inside. That's a listed. What is that? Oh, it's just a hole. Wait. Give me the listed. Wait. No. And see. This is the leaflet for Arsenal team. Anyway, there's Man U team. Yeah, okay, let me see. Okay, so this is the old team, as you can see, I changed ever. Because I know when I see picture of I know this. Oh yeah, we're Ferdinand, man. I'm excited to get with Ferdinand. And Ninja Vidic, Ryan Giggs, oh my god. Oh, Wayne Rooney, whoa, and actually now, so, as you guys know, Ferdinand has retired. I said about move out. In the video, move out also. Nani move out. Actually now, Wayne Rooney still playing for the Sporting Club. Basically, I think, yeah, he's being replaced. And this is the Arsenal team. Jack Richards still playing. This guy, he is with us. Still Walcott, I think he's still playing, if I'm not sure. But he long time move out already. Very long. How old, man? And yeah, so in this the Chelsea team. Dennis Sturridge. This is already in Liverpool, man. These are so old, man. This guy, I knew it. It's actually cool on the packaging. He move up. This guy go to Arsenal already. Don't tell me, still playing.
This guy's a
Swing but I don't mind having him. Your mata go to.
He's the captain of Arsenal.
Your mata go to. Wait, let me think. Manager, yeah. Yeah, so this guy still on the only still.
Captain of Arsenal.
Yeah, Louis Suarez, man.
Captain of Arsenal.
Okay, but he move out to Barcelona. Then also move out. Galaxy. So, I think, yeah, Glenn Johnson away move out to City and. Yeah, okay, and this is the captain. Arsenal. I gotta murder him. Hey, don't get to my phone camera, man. Don't get to. I'll call the car to Rampage. Want to go Rampage. Run.
Okay.
Okay.
Belgium.
Yeah, she's from Belgium. And what other thing? You guys open this?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Okay.
Wow. I'm not so sure I open this guy, man. Do you guys all open this tomorrow? Today or tomorrow? Okay, I think right now it's up to my decision to open this. So I'm not that sure whether I open. But I'm not sure if I get saw it out of packaging. So it's good, man. So it's good. So okay, right now I roughly know the players. Ben Bassi, Suarez, Ashley Cole, Fernando Torres, Liverpool goalkeeper. I can't pronounce his name. I'm not sure. This is wait. Let me check. Alex Song for Arsenal. Alex Song was for Arsenal. Alex Song, John Terry, and this guy is who inside Liverpool. Andy, call it Andy, and this guy. This guy. Okay. Okay, so right now, I have to get my hands on it. So for this season, it will be John Terry. Okay. And let me see which other player name. There. And let me see. Ashley Young. Wayne Rooney. Jack Wilshere. And this guy. Okay. This is a player I would love having in your also. This is a player I would love having. Okay, so I should open it up about it. So here. Second packet. We should not kill John Terry this time and not kill Fernando Torres. So I will open this one here. Caesar's Fate Devil has come to open the packaging. Yeah, that's for today, basically. Come on. It's a piece of shit. Okay, that's it. Oh, no. Get it up properly. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm done. Ooh.
I don't know, baby. Ngon lắm.
Okay, good. No? Here I gun. Okay, that. So this is what I got. Oh, it's another player for Arsenal. Tell me he's the same. Tell me he's the same.
It's not.
Walcott, Tia Walcott. Whoa. Two Arsenal players? Gotta be kidding me, man. Dish. Is you know the big part the same? Two Arsenal players.
พวกฝนตกบททางนั้น
Yeah, that I agree with both that. The Walcott and Arsenal captain. Arsenal. Why Arsenal? Why Arsenal, man? Come on, of all players, Arsenal, seriously?
Cat those are very interesting background.
I agree, right?
Some of the research.
Yeah.
Maybe Peter Check.
Peter Chat is like a hairstyle, he's wearing some stupid thing on his head.
Joe Rihanna sounds nicer, huh? Botan.
What?
Botan.
Like who?
Botan. Mr. Mohammed.
Okay, well, I think that's all for today. And the two characters, the Walcott and the two Arsenal characters. Well, I tell you something. Since Walcott is England, I don't favor this guy because he's a Belgian, and I like England more. So, bish. Hey, you, bish. Okay, so that's all for today. And don't forget to stay tuned if you'd like to see more of this Soccerstarz opening. Please don't forget to comment below if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to like, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye.